Yo, what's up? This is PTC channel. Announcement lang tayo ngayon. So, mini vlog. So, ngayon is ang announcement ko guys, mga ka-PTC channel. So, 75 subscribers na tayo. So, tuloy nyo lang ang pag-subscribe sa aking channel. So, by the way, kakauwi ko lang guys. Galing school. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin is, i-announcement ko is, ibabalik po natin yung dati kong intro na red screen, yung ganyan guys. After 2 years, yan ganyan ang ginawa kong intro dito sa aking channel, sa PTC channel. So ngayon is ibabalik po natin yung ganyang intro, yung red. So ibabalik ko po yan yung ganyang intro guys, pero ganyan pa rin yung gantong style. Yan, ganyan, yung ganyang style everyone. O, yan, mga viewers natin, ganyan po gagawin natin. Yan, yung ganyan, yung ganyan, ayan, ganyang intro. Parang comics, no? Parang Marvel Comics. Ayan, parang ganyan. Ibabalik po natin yung ganyang intro, guys. So, baka siguro next week. Ganyan ang palitan kong intro. So, ito guys, by the way, actually, tapos na po tayo dito. So, ito, gonna review this soon, Hot Wheels. Maybe next week. Something next week. Ayan. So, i-review natin yan. Yan, Hot Wheels Minions, yung Gru Mobile na sasakyan ni Gru. Ayan. I-review, i-unboxing natin yan siguro next week. So, so that's it. Leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget the notification. So, bye guys. Please like and subscribe and don't forget the notification. So, bye guys.